Big steps today. We are fitting this Towbar to this van. Never done this before, so let's just give it a go and see what happens. First step, remove the actual rear bumper. And there are parking sensors in here, so I've got to be a little bit careful. But it is just a few Torx bits, I believe. Probably that sort of size maybe. Ah, he's winning today. And that's snapped. So that's two snapped. But that's the bumper off. Step one complete. Right. Jesus, that's a mess, isn't it? Absolute mess. Oh, okay. Right, step two, remove rear crash beam. Apparently. Got these instructions here. Remove bumper and steel crash beam from the vehicle. Crash beam will no longer be required as the Towbar takes its place. This is not a Torx bolt. Yep, it's a six. Okay, whatever. Feel that is. I know, it's. Alright, sit. This is why we make friends with our neighbours. He has a 24mm socket, which we're going to need for actually fitting this Towbar to the Towbar thingy. Right, so I now have this and this. Right now, lefty loosey. Let's see if this gives us enough action. Come on, come on. Jeebus. Oh! There we go. Rear bumper off. Right. Right. So now we do a bit more. Attached but do not secure cross beam 1. Cross beam 1. Mark and drill the remaining holes approximately 10 minutes. we're going under. So, under here, just the other side where your bolt's coming through. Oh, I'm a bit tied up here. There is this here. And this is just a little rubber grommet filled with water on this side. Lovely. And then you have this captive nut thingy, which slots up inside it. And then it just sort of sits in there. And then you've got the joys of trying to get a bolt onto that without it spinning or moving. So we actually take this nut off here. There we go. And we pop this little L bracket onto here. And then you have the nut goes on, and then a bolt goes up into the captive plate that we just put in. Okay. This microphone really wants to be attached to the Towbar apparently. Right, so centre of bumper you make a chop. Bumper is 65.5 inches, so 32.5, 32.75. Dumbass. Right. And then we need some sort of wedge marking this, don't we? 32.5 gets me to 65. That's 65.5. 0.25. So what you don't need to do is cut the whole thing in half. I may have fucked up there. What you do need to do is flip it around and just cut the little segments out underneath. Now I don't know what I'm going to do about this bit here. Probably leave it. Right. We want to put the wiring in now, which involves undoing these. Parking sensor in. Then these parking sensors, they literally just push in and click. And the same with this one. Filming disaster. Everything's all done. Battery died on the phone. Idiot. So we've got the electrics in, this in, We had to trim this to make it fit, and obviously take the parking sensors out, but they're now back in, all looking good. Yeah, slightly annoyed at myself really for not checking that the battery was fully charged. Hey ho. I stupidly forgot to record an outro. Here we are at the outro. Hope you enjoyed this one. Like and subscribe. You can hear Jensen in the background. Jensen says, like and subscribe. He's enjoying his little chew toy. Hope you enjoyed this. Cheers.